Goedemorgen.
Yeah,
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
How are you? Good?
I'm fine. How about yourself? Doing today?
I'm doing fine. I'm happy to have you today.
It's hump day today, so
Yes, hump
we're
day.
all happy.
Oh, wow. It's a beautiful day to be here.
Yeah, right?
It's good to know.
Tell us a little more of the big event you have for the.
Let's start with the food.
Let's start with food. Yeah,
Let's start
I
with
kept
the
the
food.
promise yesterday.
Promise,
Yeah.
you promised.
I promised and I have it with me today.
Awesome.
We're going to do a mixed Hey, wait, let me first say something about the event. This
Okay.
Friday in Amramal we do Aperitivo again, and it's in Fusion, and we always do every month. We try to highlight a brand and or a few. This time we do gin. My colleague Roger will tell a little bit more in a bit. And for me, now I'm going to keep my promise and tell you something about the food because you're waiting for it.
Yeah, we are.
We have some mixed platters with some nice things, and all together it's like a meal probably for two because it's quite big portions. We do the bruschettas, we have shrimp skewers, we make pasta carbonara on it, smoked salmon on crostinis, and to make it fresh, which is very nice with the gins as well, is avocado salad.
Oh, wow.
So
You're making me hungry.
this
Yes,
Friday
we
already.
are.
Nice.
And you said we don't need a reservation.
No, you can just walk in. The doors open at 5, but the event itself starts at 6. But feel free to come early. Feel free to be there because we're really trying to encourage people to try all the different gins. We bring 8 different brands divided in 3 different bars. So we really encourage you to find your gin which suits you and your taste buds
Yeah.
because it's very personal.
About the pricing, is there like a one price that you have to pay, or it depends what you're gonna eat, what you're gonna drink? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
All the dishes itself are $8.
Okay. Oh wow.
However, if you do it in a mixed platter, we make it 35.
Okay.
For the gins, it's all $8 a glass.
Okay.
All the different gins, all the different combinations.
Nice.
So we have like small tickets, and you buy a ticket for $8, and you can give it to the bar you want to have a drink.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. What time is the kitchen close for the food fans?
For the food fans, I think 10:30. But if there are at 10:30 are still a lot of people who wants to eat, it's possible.
Yeah. Okay.
But normally, people are feed after 9:30.
Yeah.
Then they say,
Like at 10:30, they're like ready to
yeah, they are
continue the party. Okay. Nice.
You have your colleague here too.
Yeah, Roger is a friend of us. We work a lot together, and he works for ATC, and ATC is also on the event, just as Pepia and Romer. And ATC brings 2 of their gins, their favorites, so, and he's able to tell more about it.
Conta-nos aqui do produto que você vai tentar pelo que está aí.
Ok, dus ja, bom dia tudo is the headset?
Sim.
Sim, eu também já vou escutar nós.
Ok,
Miho,
there you go.
assim, ja.
Surround sound.
Ja, correct.
Sim, dus mijn naam is Roger Silva, met de Aruba Trading, met de brand manager, die Spirits. Great sound effect.
Sim.
Pero sim, dus na evento que nós também com 2 dinos gin. Onde nós tá Bulldog gin, com de London Dry gin. Dat ding maar net wie London Dry dan tiki seco, pero tem great profile com citrus e almond. Termende com I would say with tonic obviously. E com frozen lemon slice. Tremendo cocktail. En dan heb je Citadel gin, which is a French gin. Estamos een dry gin, pero está un tique diferente traja. Comparado con el London Dry. Dan zetten we dingen floral citrus smaak.
Okay.
Dus we zien 2 diferentes profiles na, para clientes na bem disfrutar.
Dus sa kita ba trabalhar com diferente outro tipo de mixing of boto recomendar para beber gin susu?
Great question.
Of como boto recomendar?
Sim, tem vários cocktails na boto trabalhar com gin. Maioria, mas tanto é mais conhecida gin and tonic of gin and juice.
Yeah.
Pero dus dingen London Dry com a Bulldog gin, nós estamos tanto a se com tonic.
Okay.
Anto Citadel gin nós vai mais com mais fancy style, de French, temos French 75, com sparkling wine.
Dus waarom je geen kwabelo recomendar como isso bebe? Mas também bebe tudo doce, pero qual te recomendar para beber?
Se botar fancy type of guy, botar fancy type of guy.
En mostrar fancy type of guy?
Vai lá,
I would say a gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic.
Ja. Anto bij je vrouw kinang. I would say the French 75.
As long as it's tiki sweet?
It's tiki sweet.
Oh, okay, that's perfect.
Tiki sweet and tiki citrus.
Okay.
very, bubbly, because the thing is sparkling wine in here.
Correcto.
En tot aan met served in een champagne glass.
Oh, wow.
So een tikje fancy tambe. So I'll recommend it that way.
Indro, como to aqui para querer loto bom para Indro bebe. Como to aqui? Fancy
In the
or
underrock.
Straight up.
straight up, straight up. Sim. Dus
Lota unsa mit der BBC.
die kon ayo para cá para you
Ayo. Mit der halen me out.
Pelo que está juniora já não se acaba, você com para damas eigenlijk, você bota se ele tem que sweet, e ora para ir no homem bota então tem que mais
Tikje maar seco, tikje maar
Seco.
Ja,
Okay.
correcto.
Essa que bota beber primeiro com comida, durante a comida ou depois da comida.
The great thing the gin, it could be anytime. Put on aperitivo, put on I mean after drink, anything actually. Great thing the gin, dat gewoon het all around diverse cocktail drink. Absolutely.
Dus het is oké, zeg je bebida para ir no homem, sabe?
Nou, was dat gin
bebida?
eigenlijk? Wat doe je?
Wat doe je?
Mujer te guste, hamper te guste, everything in between. Yep, absolutely.
Midaya sa kita tremendo, dus kung nos por conhecer também o que está bebida na aqui também, que ele vai ter echt um evento especialmente de gin eigenlijk para dia 4 de augustus, dus pelo que define se aqui. Dus Diabierna. Dus we legal me invitar e não tá para formar parte também do que está aperitivo Gin Extravaganza.
Super.
Can you invite people to come to your
Yeah,
event?
sure. It's hard for me to do it in Papimento still.
No, I know.
You can try.
A for effort?
This Friday, Grandi Fiesta di Fusion.
Yeah, love that.
No, we do this Friday. We doors open at 5. Be there. Feel free to find your favorite gin. And would love to see you guys there.
Who's in charge with the entertainment? Is there going to be entertainment? The DJ?
Yeah, of course there's going to be entertainment. We have a DJ at first. And,
Who?
Now you're asking the hard question.
I mean, it's important. The music.
Yeah, it is.
You know,
it is.
Is it the
No.
type of music?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
It's way more soft. Fusion.
All right.
Oh,
Okay.
Extravaganza.
Fusion music.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
It starts at 6.
And then there's a band? Because you told us that there's like at the beginning there's a DJ. Or am I not supposed to
No,
ask that
you may
question?
ask that. You may ask that.
Oh, okay.
Because and I would love to give you the answer, but I'm still pending on it.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have to discuss it.
Wat tiene duro, Indro?
Ah, mi tiene duro.
Sí.
Como mi tiene duro. Maar is
Well, thank you very much for being with us. in the
Thanks for
studio.
having us.
Yes. It's great to have you here in the studio, and tomorrow you're back?
Yeah, but that's Fresh FM.
A fresh event. Okay.
But I will wave at you guys.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Well, Diabierna mo 4 de augustus lugar da abre 5 evento da começa 6 horas aproveitar de diferente comida na Kunanting e também diferente tipo de gin Kunanting. Essa aqui tá Fusion Restaurant, riba Facebook, bopahayan ng Fusion Restaurant, Tapas, Wine and Piano Bar.